Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to view transit number of Scotiabank. Now, the first thing I want you to do is of course log in to your Scotiabank account, and then what I want you to do is come here on the left hand panel, click on home, and you'll see the different accounts you have. So what I want you to do is just go ahead and click on the account whose transit number you want to view. So let's say, for example, want to view the one for this one, Ultimate Package. You click on it, and then this is just the overview. And to view the transit number, you just come here, left-hand panel here, click on Account Information. Okay, it's right under Overview. So once I click on this, you'll get all the account information, including the transit number. As you can see right here, this would be your transit number, and that is how to view it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.